the right advice. We've been actually saying the same thing for, my whole career, basically. Get out into the business, stop talking to other lawyers. It's even just for legal, just regular lawyers. Don't just sit and talk amongst yourselves. Go out into the business. Our job is to support and enable the business to achieve their goals. We are a strategic business unit that helps the business, be successful. And we've done it informally, for as long as I can remember, by making sure we do understand, our business happens to be technology. So we have to have a baseline understanding of what technology does. I've been a tech geek since I learned how to code a little bit in the 90s. So watch out. And I think that companies are getting more sophisticated in the way they operationalize privacy throughout their business. A lot of companies have, we call them privacy champions at FordDirect. We've had them informally, and now we're formalizing it to really take people from every single different area of the business, both operational roles and support roles, and giving them extra training, extra understanding, having them, be the designee for different initiatives that we're running at the company, to really give that ownership to the whole business, because it's not just a legal thing. It's not just an IT thing. It's a business thing. And I think, we're really fortunate at FordDirect that we have a good understanding of it, especially, the younger generation, I think, just gets it intuitively in a lot of ways. Our board, we've spent a lot of time talking to them about how it powers our use of the data, and how there is a translation from good practices and privacy and security and all these areas, and the ability to leverage that data to achieve the business outcomes. So I think there's some good ways that companies are doing now and have done. What I'm suggesting is nothing new. Companies have been doing it for a long time, and the big companies have been doing it as well. And you just can't give up. You have to continue to have those strategic conversations, because a lot of people don't get it. A lot of people, that may not understand those nuances and that translation. They view it as a compliance-based topic. You have to spend time to educate them and say, no, this isn't about, avoiding the penalties of CCPA. This is about how our business can move forward. And it's a challenge that goes along with, I think, the job.
Now, I'll concede.